Hello, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to this short practice of Yoga Nidra. In this moment, there's nothing you need to do. Just allow yourself to fully relax and be present. Find a comfortable position, lying down on your back, with your arms resting by your sides, palms facing up. Allow your legs to be slightly apart, with your feet relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale through your mouth. Let's begin by setting a positive intention for this practice. You may choose a word, phrase, or thought that resonates with you. Something you wish to bring into your life, or a feeling you'd like to cultivate. Repeat it silently to yourself and let it settle in your mind. Now bring your awareness to your body. Start by bringing attention to your right hand. Feel the sensation in your fingers, your palm, and your wrist. Slowly move your awareness up your right arm, through your elbow to your shoulder. Feel the weight of your arm resting gently on the ground. Shift your focus to your left hand. Sense the energy in your fingers, palm, and wrist. Move your attention up through your left arm to your elbow and your shoulder. Allow both arms to relax deeply. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the sensations in your toes, your arches, and the heels. Slowly move your attention up your legs, through your ankles, calves, and knees, all the way up to your thighs. Feel the ground supporting you as your legs become heavy and relaxed. Bring awareness to your back now. Feel the sensations along your spine, moving from the base of your spine all the way up to your neck. Relax the muscles along your back, allowing your body to sink deeply into the surface beneath you. Lastly, bring attention to your head. Relax your forearm, soften your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Feel the weight of your head on the ground, completely supported. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly with each inhalation and exhalation. There's no need to change your breath. Simply observe it as it flows naturally. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Gently wiggle your toes and your fingers. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, open your eyes slowly. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of relaxation with you as you move through your day.